Hello there, my name's David Hurrian and I'd like to invite you to get involved in the Lewis-Manning Hospice Care Loving Your Garden campaign this summer. It's all about sharing a love of plants and gardening, however you choose to garden and whatever the size of your plot. But the campaign also aims to show all the benefits that gardening can bring to wildlife and the environment, to your physical health and agility, and to your mental health and well-being, as well as highlighting all the wonderful memories that gardening evokes. For me, gardening's not only about nurturing and growing plants, it's about sharing my plot with nature and wildlife. All the birds, mammals, amphibians and insects that take up residence in and around our gardens help us to reconnect with nature and provide a source of education for the next generation, as well as helping us to forge links between young and old members of our community. And the growing spaces we create, however tiny, become our own natural nature reserves, part of a tapestry of habitats that's becoming more and more crucial for the survival of a whole range of different species. But it's not just in our plots that we can make a difference. The choices we make as gardeners can affect the wider environment too, locally, nationally and globally. Choosing not to use peat, plastics and artificial chemicals are some of the most obvious issues that make the headlines, but there are lots of other things that we can do to lessen the impact on our world, such as only using rainwater to water our plants, using permeable surfaces rather than solid materials as paving, and adding plenty of well-rotted garden compost to our soils to keep them healthy. And there are all the ways that you can benefit from gardens and gardening too, all of which we'll share through the Loving Your Garden campaign as it unfolds through the summer. In the meantime, to find out more about the campaign and for your chance to win some amazing gardening prizes and support your local hospice, then enter the summer prize draw. Head over to the Lewis-Manning website, lewis-manning.org.uk. Tickets cost £2 and every penny you donate will make a difference to someone living in our local community. Happy gardening!